Hi friends, you are what you believe yourself to be. If you do not believe in yourself, who else will? Self-belief is the cornerstone for positive thinking. Welcome to the third session on Conquer Your Mind, Mental Toughness for Cricketers. In this video, I will be covering few examples in cricket to highlight the importance of self-belief, how the mind works, and how to use self-talk and positive affirmation to build and maintain your self-belief. VVS Lakshman made his Test debut against South Africa in 1996. It took almost 4 years for him to score his first Test century when he scored 167 against Australia at the SCG. This innings gave him the self-belief and confidence that he could score runs at the highest level. This self-belief helped him play the unbelievable innings at the Eden Gardens against the same opponents and secure his second Test century. When Ponting visited India in 2008, he had scored more than 10,000 Test runs at an impressive average of 58.37. However, in the 8 Test matches he has played in India until 2008, Ponting had an average of just 12.29. Ponting lacked self-belief to play in Indian conditions and did not trust his technique. He was always trying to find a different way to play in Indian conditions and ended up getting stumped, caught at bat sweeping, etc. At the age of 37, Ponting ended his 2-year wait for a Test century with a score of 134 against India. He attributed his success to his self-belief. Our thoughts influence our attitude and behavior. We should understand how our mind works for us to gain control over it. The conscious mind involves all the things that we are currently aware of and thinking about. When we learn new skills, we use our conscious mind. Once we learn and master the skill, the subconscious mind takes over. Subconscious mind includes things that we might not be presently aware of, but that we can pull into conscious awareness when needed. Subconscious mind works 24 by 7, stores both images, positive and negative experiences and thoughts. It influences our thoughts, thus our attitude and behavior. When thinking of the conscious and unconscious mind, it can be helpful to compare the mind to an iceberg. Everything above the water represents conscious awareness, while everything below the water represents the unconscious. Self-talk is a simple technique to handle negative thoughts. While negative thoughts cannot be erased, they can be overwritten with positive thoughts. Self-talk is a three-step process. The first step is to identify the negative thoughts. Symptoms of negative thoughts include stiffness in the neck, anxiety, short or irregular breath. Once you identify negative thoughts, you should stop the negative thoughts immediately and override them with positive thoughts. A batsman who plays a poor shot will not replay the poor shot when shadowing the shot. He will rehearse what he should have done. This is a simple example of a batsman trying to reinforce the positive thoughts. Self-talk can be inspirational or instructional. Inspirational self-talk helps you motivate yourself and combat self-doubt and fear of failure. A bowler bowling on a dry flat wicket or a batsman batting on a rank turner would use inspirational self-talk to motivate themselves. Instructional self-talk helps you focus and be in the present. A batsman playing on 99 would typically use instructional self-talk to be in the present and focus on the job in hand, that is scoring a single needed to complete a century. Self-talk is used on the field and the self-talk used by them is depending on the negative thoughts being encountered. Positive affirmations or phrases or mantras that you repeat to yourself which describe a specific outcome or who you want to be. At first, these affirmations might not be true, but with constant repetition, your subconscious mind will start to believe them. Positive affirmation is used to strengthen your belief and convert your wish into a reality. Positive affirmation combined with meditation is a very powerful tool to reinforce your goal and strengthen your self-belief. Statements you use for positive affirmation should be simple, positive, strong, present, and realistic. Please remember, self-belief cannot replace your skill. Combining skill with self-belief can help you perform at your ideal performance state. I hope you found this video helpful. More tips and tricks on mental skills to follow in the next videos. Thank you and best wishes.